Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the drum and removing debris. This prevents uneven spinning and damage. Once cleared, separate heavy towels and rugs from thin items so one side doesn't dominate. Make a balanced initial arrangement. Place one heavy item, then distribute lighter pieces opposite it. As you load, leave about 2 to 3 inches between clothes and the drum wall to allow movement. You're doing this to give the washer room to tumble. That motion equalizes forces and reduces vibration once the cycle starts. Once done with loading, choose a cycle and spin speed that match the fabrics. Higher RPMs extract water but amplify imbalance, so reduce speed for mixed loads. If the drum feels lopsided, add 1 or 2 small items opposite the heavy cluster to counterweight it. Make sure to enable load sensing or a gentle agitation phase if available. This helps the machine detect and correct distribution before full spin. Then start a short test spin to confirm the drum remains stable and vibration is minimal. You finish by running a full cycle and observing for vibration or loud banging. If it occurs, stop the machine and redistribute the load immediately. Move heavy items evenly around the drum and retest. Make sure the washer sits level on the floor. Adjust the front and rear feet until the unit is stable, because an unlevel machine magnifies imbalance. If the problem repeats despite proper loading and leveling, inspect suspension components and shock absorbers or call a technician. This protects the drum and bearings from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.